So, while I love my 2012 MacBook Pro, the one thing I can't get over is just this bad screen resolution and the glossy screen. It always gets super annoying when you're trying to see something and all you see is your reflection staring back at you. So, I have the high-res LCD that I'll be replacing this one with. It's matte, so there's no more reflections. Well, except now when it's not on. And it has a much better resolution. And hopefully, we can beat this resolution with. And, well, let's get started taking everything apart. So here we have it installed with the new resolution, and now you can't see your own reflection in it anymore, as you could have with this one, plus it collected fingerprints like no tomorrow. But here we have it. Much needed improvement. Will be so much better for video editing or just looking into it without seeing what you look back.